How beautiful is that? What is up, guys? Welcome to a new video. Just to keep you updated, today is the 21st of March and it's 10 to 6 right now. Good news is I had a really good sleep and I'm feeling pretty good. Bad news is, as you can see, it is quite wet on the ground. So it must have rained last night, didn't even realize it. And yeah, it's gonna be it's gonna be quite difficult to get to Okayama as the ground is wet. We'll see how it goes later when it gets a bit lighter. I'll see you guys real soon. Alrighty, so as you can see, it is raining. It is currently 7 AM. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer to see if it's gonna stop. But right now I'm just chilling at Family Mart upstairs and just charging my gear. It really sucks, but I just don't want to ride in the rain because I have an epic deck, and with the water, it's just gonna flick up on my legs and it's just not a good idea. So yeah, I'll see you guys when it's dialed down a bit. Alrighty then, 30 minutes later, it has stopped raining a bit. Well, I mean, it started to rain again. But I'm gonna start my journey to Okayama, which is actually 83 kilometers, not 86. I found a quicker way. But it is uphill, so fingers crossed it isn't gonna be too hectic. But it's been fun, Himeji. Definitely gonna be back here during cherry blossom season, which will be in a week. So I'll see you real soon again. Laters. Update, it's about 10:30 right now and there's a potential hill bomb, so that's why I got my S1 helmet on and the GoPro. So far I've ridden probably last time I checked it was like 58, so I've ridden roughly nearly 20 kilometers and yeah, nearly halfway. So let's see if this is going to be a potential hill bomb. Let's do it. GoPro clip, here we go. Hey, all right, potential hill bomb. Here we go. Well, that's it for the hill bomb. Second hill bomb of the day. Let's see how we go. Bomber. Alrighty, that concludes the hill bomb. Alright, this is basically sums up today's adventure, mainly on the side of the highway because Google Maps has told me to go this way. Woo! 45 kilometers to go! First tunnel of the adventure. It's gonna be sick. And good news, I think there's a detour that goes over the tunnel, so fingers crossed this actually leads the way. Well, I'm gonna be very Devo. bomb of the day. Alright, that's it for the hill bomb. Quick update, it's 1:45 and I think I've reached the top, and now from now on it's just going to be downhill. I think I've done probably, well, to estimate arrival is about less than 40 kilometers. It's between 35 to 40 last time I remember. Yeah, let's go. This is the 4th hill bomb of the day, or maybe 5, I can't remember. Yeah, let's just do it. GoPro time, let's send it. Okay, it turns out I had to be on the right side, so let's continue with the hill bomb. Alright guys, sorry to disappoint you, but yeah, this is it. Sick! I hyped you guys up and there was no hill bomb. Alright, fingers crossed for the next one. Alrighty, quick update, it's 2:03 right now, and where I left off, I was like a bit up there. I just didn't want to risk going down this hill because I just didn't see how far I could go and the speed I was going. So I got another option. Either continue going down routes 2, which I've been doing for this whole day, or go down here. And I think I'm gonna go down there because then I can hill bomb with my GoPro. So let's get it. GoPro time. Alrighty, let's send it. See you later, route 2. Hello, random road. I think that's it. Alrighty, one last hill bomb for the day. Flat ground, hyped. Alright, that's it. Oh, here, let's see, how far am I? 25 kilometers, you reckon? Yep, 25, sick! Nearly there, nearly. And your boy finally made it. Alright, so time right now, it's about 5:24. I actually got here at 5:18. Just needed a bit of a break because I am just so knackered. But yeah, finally made it. 83 kilometers later. What time did I leave? About 7:30. So yeah, I got here about 5:18. So roughly 9.5 hours or more, sorry. It did take a bit longer than I expected with the underestimated, you know, hills that I knew that was going to happen, but I just didn't know it was going to be that gnarly. For me, I mean, I just underestimated it. But I did get some cool GoPro clips. I mean, some that I wish I got some, but they were pretty gnarly with the hills, so I didn't want to hill bomb them. And then there were some that were a bit disappointing, but it was all fun. And also got some cool drone clips. Anyways, I want to stay here for the night as I'm not going to go any further. I am just super tired, as I mentioned earlier. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow I'll go even further, but it's going to be probably the same as today with the mountains. but I'll try, you know. I'll leave earlier, and hopefully, you know, the weather will be good tomorrow, because yeah, this morning it was quite wet, and it was unfortunate. It did delay my trip a bit, as I was expecting to get out at 3:30. Anyways, I want to get some food. I'm super hungry, and I'll see you bright and early tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Peace out.